Hello, thank you, and welcome back to English Fun Academy. I'm Byron, and have a brand new lesson for you today. And I really appreciate you joining me for another English lesson, which today is going to be in the future tense. Okay, which is actually one of the easier tenses in English because you use will with all the different subjects, so it makes it quite a bit easier than some of the other tenses in English. So relax, and it's not going to be another difficult conjugating process like with the present or present tense or even the past tense, because the verb stays the same. It always stays as will. But there are contractions. There are quite a few contractions, so that does add a little bit of extra challenge to the future tense. Okay. So this is the future simple affirmative, okay? The future simple affirmative, we have the singular and the plural. So the singular, again, is I, you, he, she, it. Then the plural, you in the plural, meaning more than one. You can mean I'm talking to one person, or I'm talking to, two or more, a group of people, for example. You, we, and they in the plural. Really simple as that, okay? And as I stated, the future is very easy. The future simple is very easy because will is used for all the different subjects. Okay, I will, you will, he will, she will, it will, you will, we will, they will. Okay, so it's very simple. It's very easy in that way. Effortless, practically effortless. Okay. But you do have to remember some of the contractions, okay? So I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, it'll, you'll, will, and they'll. Okay? These are a little bit difficult to pronounce, especially if you're not a native English speaker. The pronunciation of the contractions in the future simple can be a little bit challenging, okay? So one more time. I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, it'll, you'll, will, and they'll. So it sounds a little funny, actually, but these are the contractions. And you can use either one. For example, you can use I will go or I'll go. Okay? I will go to the store or I'll go to the store. You can just choose either one. Okay? Either one. You will do your homework. Okay? Or you'll do your homework. Okay? Just choose one or the other. Means the same thing. He will see us on Saturday. He will see us on Saturday. Or he'll see us on Saturday. Simple as that. Okay? She will play bingo on Saturday. Okay? Or she'll play bingo on Saturday. Okay? It will fight with another dog. Okay? It will fight with another dog. Or it'll fight with another dog. Okay? Simple as that. You plural, you will tell everyone, or you will tell the teacher what you did. Okay? Or you'll tell the teacher what you did. Okay? We will read many books this semester. We will read many books this semester. Or will read many books this semester. Will read many books this semester. Or, going back to go, they will go to New York next year. Okay? They will go to New York, or they will go to London next month. Something like that. Or they'll go to New York next year, or they'll go to London next year. Okay? So again, future simple, pretty straightforward. Not too much that's especially challenging. With all the subjects, you use will. So that's pretty straightforward. Just remember the pronunciations of the contractions. That's where the challenge lies, okay? I'll go, you'll do, he'll see, she'll play, it'll fight, you'll tell, we'll read, they'll go, okay? All right, and just a little note down here. So you add will, the verb will, after the subject plus the infinitive, okay? So you notice these are all the infinitives, they're the base forms. You don't say, I will going, okay? Please don't say that. This can be really challenging for a lot of non-native speakers. So just remember here you use the infinitive. Don't add an ending sound. Don't add ing. Don't add s, es. Don't add ed. Okay, to the verb here. Okay, you use the base form. So add will after the subject plus the infinitive. Okay, plus the infinitive. It's really that simple. Okay, so don't add an ending sound to these verbs. Okay, don't say I will going. Say I will go or I'll go. You will do. Not you will doing. Not you will did. Just use the infinitive. Keep it simple. Don't strain yourself. Don't work too hard on this. Don't overthink it. Okay. Just use the base form, okay? It will fight, we will tell, not we will telling, not we will told, something like that. Base form, or the infinitive, okay? No ending sound. And keep the simple form or the base form of the infinitive. And, practice the pronunciation of the contractions. And really, that's all there is to it. Other than that, the future simple is quite easy, and you will love it. You can see the pointer here, the heart pointer, which tells you you will love it. I'm hypnotizing you that you will love it. But anyway, so thank you very much. This is Byron signing off, and I hope you learned a lot. Please review this video and go over it to practice the pronunciation, the sounds. And also, the contractions, and the fact that you use the infinitive. Okay, just please review it. Review is always the best way to practice things. Perfect. Okay, and thank you very much. And it's been wonderful seeing you. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you, and be sure to like and comment. Bye bye.